When this girl was listening to music with her puppy, she noticed something very strange because her dog seemed to almost be singing along to the music. And when she realized what was going on, she was quick to grab her phone and film a TikTok video so she could show everyone his special talent. And what happens next does not disappoint.
You ready, boo-boo? Alexa, play I Been by Ari Lennox.
Here's I Been by Ari Lennox on Amazon Music.